All right, hey everybody, welcome back to another video with the Aaron Boys. Sorry it's been a while since I put a video out. I've got all my past season duck hunting videos out. I've just been busy there during the summer here, enjoying the Alaska summer. I've been on a couple vacations and just haven't had time to do any videos. I haven't even gotten out to do any fishing, which I'm kind of disappointed in. I'd like to do that, but I've just been doing other things. So I got the boat all kind of prepped and ready for this season, which is only about a month and a half away, September 1st, just around the corner. So something different. I'm going to start a late summer project. Hopefully I can get it done before this season starts. If not, it might fall into next summer. But this is kind of what I want to do. For most of my subscribers, if you haven't noticed, I've gotten into making duck calls. Put a couple videos out making duck calls. So it's kind of like a new hobby I've gotten into. So right now I've got through this door right here is my garage, and I've got all my woodworking stuff in there to do the duck calls, and I just don't have enough room. And that's probably why I haven't really done any duck calls this summer yet, because it's a tight space in there and it just makes a mess, and I just don't have room to work like I would like to. So my summer project is going to be, I'm going to start it today, is I'm in my backyard, and I've got this space behind me, I'll show it to you in a minute, that I just don't use. And so I told the wife that I'm going to build a shop and add it on right here so I can enter through the garage door right into the shop. Go ahead and show you what it is. All right, so right here I've got this patio. It's on a slope. Come through this door right here is my garage right in there. We put some lawn furniture out here, a little table, and we never use this area. It's in the shade all the time, and we never use it. Even when we put the furniture out there, we never sat out here. So it's kind of a wasted space. So my plan is I'm going to put a 12 by 12 workshop right here. I'm going to mount it right along this corner here. This patio unfortunately is sloping, so I can't use it as a foundation. It's going to have to be a raised floor. So I'm going to head to Lowe's. Right now, my project that I'm just going to start right now is just going to be the floor. I'm just going to go ahead and assemble the floor, and then later I will go ahead back to Lowe's, start buying the material to frame the walls in. So that's the project I'm going to start today. It is July 21st, I believe. And like I said, hopefully I can get this thing finished and get my woodworking stuff in here by September 1st, by the time the season, the 2024 waterfowl season starts. I am heading back to Michigan around the 18th or so of October, and I'll be there for maybe 3 or 4 weeks this time. So, but anyways, I'm going to head to Lowe's, get the material, and then we'll start building the floor. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, I made it back from Lowe's. Got most of the materials that I needed for the floor. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to go back and get some other stuff just to get it leveled and get it foundation going on it. But we'll see. I've kind of already started a little bit. I had the GoPro going, so I'll get that showing you guys. By no means am I a contractor, a construction worker, a house builder. I watch YouTube videos and I do things on my own. So that's basically what I'm doing here, is watching YouTube videos, and I'm building this addition slash shop to my house off of watching YouTube videos. However, I did about 5 years ago, I think it was, I had my dad came up from Michigan, or actually from Arizona, and he helped me build a 16 by 16 shed. And I'll show it to you here in a minute, which I think we did a pretty good job of it, still standing. So that's kind of following the same pattern here as far as adding this shop on. But this shop is going to be insulated, it's going to be heated, because I'm going to be working in there. So when it's -20, -40 in the wintertime here, I definitely want it insulated to be able to be comfortable working in there. So it's probably just going to be heated by electric heater or from the heat from the garage. I'll just keep the door open and the garage heat will heat it up. So, but here's that shed that I built. So here's the shed I built with the help of my father and my father-in-law. We all kind of worked on it. It's cold storage. It's full. thanks to the wife. But I think it matched, here's my house, kind of matched my house pretty good. Okay, well, let's get going on this addition and get as much as I can get done today. I'm going to start working on the floor. All right, so gonna call it a night, and I'll continue this video on with the next phase. So hopefully tomorrow, and we'll get the flooring done. So thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe and the like, man. It really helps me out. I think I'm up to over 200 subscribers now. Just a few hundred more to go, and that will help me out. So again, season starting here in about a month and a half, September 1st. Here in Alaska, it's the full waterfall season. I know most of the other states, the northern states, I think it's September 1st, the early teal season starts. I know it does in Michigan. And then I think in Michigan, October 15th, or 14th, I think this year is the start of the waterfall season for the big ducks. So I hope everybody's getting excited, looking forward to that. I know I am. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.